Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help you improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. We noticed that quite a few of our clients had this question, so we thought it would be helpful to share this for everyone on YouTube. Question is, how do I share to my LinkedIn profile when I'm an admin on a business page? People are finding that they go to repost, and instead of reposting as themselves, they're reposting as the company. So let's start from the beginning. I'm starting here on my personal profile, clicking on my profile picture and choosing the company. And if you go right to the page as the admin and you come down and you look at all of the posts and you click on repost, repost with your thoughts, you can see that it's posting as the company. But I want to post as me. So I'm going to close this out and discard it. What you want to do is click here on view as member, then go to the posts. Now, when you click on repost, repost with your thoughts, now it's my profile picture. So now I am posting as me and I can put my caption here and I can click on post. And it's that easy. I hope this little tip helps make your life a lot easier. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.